Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Let's see today that how we can create a new user and how we can verify about that user detail. In order to add a new user, the command is user add, and if you want to just add a user, just put that user account detail is say if I'll say the account is HJ. Just press enter. I just need to go ahead and make sure that I do have an administrative privilege in order to do that. And once you press enter, it will gonna automatically ask me for the root account password, and if I'll pass it that correct, it will gonna create a new account. Similarly, you can create an account with a password enable as well. In order to do that, you can press a command along with this one -p. It will gonna give you an option to set up the password, and whatever you will gonna type, it will be in the readable format. So if I'll say the new password is 123445, it will gonna automatically, okay, so because it's saying that there is a new account already available, so JL, so it will automatically create a new account for me. In order to verify about the account details, there is a file called etc/passwd. If you enter this one, you will be able to see at the very bottom that there are new account has been created and what are their home directory is, what's their current shell are, and what is their PID number. All this information you can get it from here itself. Similarly, there is an option to create the new account by the GUI format. In order to do that, just go to settings. In the settings, just type user, and it will gonna pop up the first option called users. Over here, you first have to unlock and make sure that you do have an admin privilege in order to make the changes in the user account. And at the very bottom, it will gonna show you who's currently logged in, what their password is, and you will see what are the different accounts what we have created on this machine. And let's go ahead and create a new account using our GUI format. Let's say add user, and I'll say the new account name is UU. There's an option that if you want to give the administrative access to that user, you can select this option, and it do have the admin privilege by default. There are two more options at the bottom. If you want to set up the password that the user will set up its own password at the time of login, you doesn't need to specify any password. If you want to set up a password, you can select this one and select the password detail from here. Similarly, at the bottom, if you are setting up your Linux machine for your enterprise domain, just select this one, provide the domain credentials along with the username and the password, and click add. If everything verify with your domain architecture, you will be able to add a new user in your Linux machine. Thank you.